Hello, I am Miss St. Pierre and I am your child's freshman foundations teacher. Welcome back to school. A little bit about me. I am a San Diego native. I've spent most of my life here. I got my AA at Mesa and then transferred to SDSU, where I got my bachelor's degree in social science. I also got my teaching credential there, and I'm currently in a master's program at SDSU. So I was very lucky to have done all my student teaching hours here at Madison with Miss Headley. And then I was immediately hired after finishing my credential program and have been at Madison ever since. So this is going on my third year here, 2.5 school years. I have taught economics, US history, and freshman foundations. And then I taught half a year of 10th and 11th grade English last year. I only live a couple miles from Madison, so it's really nice for me to be able to teach within my community. I've seen a lot of my students out and about at Target and things like that, so that's kind of nice. I have 3 kids of my own. Anya is 22, Boston is 17, and then my youngest is Allie. She's 9 years old. So I understand what we've all been going through in the last year and a half as a parent, as a teacher, as a student. So I kind of understand all aspects of what we've been going through and that this is a rough transition. So I'm here to help. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help your students. We're here to tackle this together. So I'm excited to be working with all of you. My goals and methods. So for freshman foundations, everybody wonders what that is. So it's a life preparedness course, pretty much. It's life skills, how to transfer from middle school to high school, but also how to transfer from high school to career or college or whatever they do next. It teaches them just a lot of basic things. We're going to talk about study habits. We're going to talk about basic life skills, how to interview, how to make a first impression, how to navigate the world, a little bit of financial literacy as well. So we kind of cover all these wonderful things we want our kids to know when they go out into the world. So that's what Freshman Foundations is. And it's a nice transition going from middle school to high school. You kind of get some information on how to go from that level of adolescence where there's a lot of guidance to going into high school where you need to be much more responsible. So we're learning and I'm helping them through that process. So I do have a variety of teaching methods that I use. I want every student to do well, so I give them choices and how they can do their projects and things like that, and how they can do their discussions, because I want everyone to be successful. And they're all different. They all learn different. They all interact differently. And I understand that. So we do a lot of different things in here, and they do have some choices, which we will have as adults as well. So I think that's helpful. Our learning management system that we use is Google Classroom. So all assignments will be there. Everything is organized by date under the classwork tab. So it's really easy to find everything if they miss a day. Everything within the date has my in-class slides that I use, all the video links, assignment links, reading links, everything is right there in one space. So it's really easy to see, and they get all the directions in my in-class slides. So that is very simple. Classroom expectations. I am really big on my biggest thing, so everyone feels safe and comfortable and we can be productive, is to be respectful at all times. So no talking when other people is talking is my #1 rule. I've already said it to them so many times, so you can ask them about that. That is my big thing. Like, we need to be respectful of each other and let other people have the floor when it is their turn. Also attend class daily, arrive on time. They're expected to have their computer every day. It should be charged. I would bring a charger just in case. They're expected to engage in classroom discussion and activities, and there are different ways to participate in the discussion, so they don't need to be a public speaker to be able to do well there. They need to complete tasks on time. Again, this is a life skills class. There are due dates in life, so I expect them to follow the due dates in this class. And if they ever need help, or if you need help, please email me. Do not hesitate to reach out. I am here for you. Important dates. So these are the semester dates and progress report dates. Those are also available on the website, but you can take a screenshot of that or a photo of that to save those important dates. But I will send lots of reminders for the students as well. Any questions? Tonight I will be in my office hours from 6 to 7. There is the link there, or you can go to this meeting ID. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'm more than happy to help. I'm excited to see you all and meet you all, and I'm really excited to teach your students this year. Bye.